Welcome to Bansheeboat. Hope you guys are enjoying the tail end of the boating season. Or maybe you've already called it quits, you've already put your boat away. Let me know. Take a look at some of our awesome drone footage from beautiful Georgian Bay, Ontario, and that's where we are right now. We're gonna start a new segment on Bansheeboat. It's still gonna be the same stuff you love. We're gonna be starting a new segment at the Boathouse property here, and there's gonna be a lot of new exciting stuff. I wanna take you guys for a tour down to the Boathouse. I'm excited to bring you a fresh new series to kick off the fall boating season. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna check out the Boathouse. There's gonna be a lot of action. We're just gonna have a really good time. Make sure you subscribe right down there. Bansheeboating, baby! You good?
Close. Bansheeboat for everything boating. These maneuvers could be dangerous if not operating the boat properly. Do so at your own risk. Make sure to always have boating safety equipment, pleasure craft license on board, and always wear your PFD. Be conscious of those around you. Respect the shared waterway. Remember, never drink alcohol on boat. Always play safe on the water.
What's up? And check out this awesome thing. I'm gonna try and talk into it. Whoa, this is the mic. This is the 5-fine mic I bought on Amazon. I just want to test it out because I wanted to buy a wireless mic and I have zero money. So this mic was on budget and it was cool. It was really cool. And I'm just, let's try it out. We're at the Boathouse property. We do have a nice boat right there. If you can take a look at that boat right there. A nice boat in the distance, the silver boat. The two boats we're going to be taking a look at, the silver aluminum and the paddle boats being fiberglassed up. So these are going to be great boats. Follow me and we're going to check out the Boathouse. Let's do it. Check this. Hopefully you guys can hear. I'm trying to get the best sound, but I think I'm going to have to go a little higher budget. We'll see. We got some great featured videos coming up featuring the Johnson 20. We have some amazing stuff coming up with that. Johnson 20 hasn't been started in a long time. We're gonna fly with the Johnson 20. And back here we got, I don't know if you can see it back there, we got the Mercury 5 horsepower. And we're gonna get the little boat out with the Mercury 5 horsepower and it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna do some kayaking, we're gonna do some fishing, and there's some pretty good fishing around here. We could even do some paddle boarding and show you how to paddleboard and do some awesome badass videos. Pretty soon we're going to do all the worst comments, all the bad comments on Facebook, YouTube, all the comments we're gonna screenshot them. We're not gonna show anyone's name, but if that said person were to see their comment, they'd probably recognize themselves. I'm having a beautiful time and I'm just enjoying myself. And that's what I like to do for the last, few weeks of boating season here. Just take it easy. Who remembers those hats? The ones that came in the beer case? Probably a couple kilometers, 2 to 3 kilometers straight across. It's a pretty far distance and it's a powerful water. I like to always take a walk on the beach. Take a look over and I can see over there. What's that over there? What is it? What is that over there? Check out what this is. This is what happens when you don't secure your toys. These are water toys. Oh. It's really blown up. That's what happens when you don't secure your toys properly. You lose them. and it ends up washing up on shore over here. That's not good. Yeah. Okay, send the bolt out. Woo! See how my costume's good. The bolt doesn't make it back when it doesn't. It's just too bad. Alright, go. How far can I go? Ready? Hey, that wasn't too bad. Next year we're going fishing every Sunday. Should I go right in naked or what? The fall colors, but that means we're going to be winterizing our boat soon. So that's not great. We're going to be doing a lot of fun stuff with Bansheeboat. The videos might be on a bi-weekly basis maybe over the winter, but they're going to be great. Make sure you subscribe right down there.
This is Bansheeboat, and today we're going on a rip.
Some great stuff. We're gonna do some drone shots, new lakes. We are only striving to get 4K shots. I'm gonna try and get the best sound and the best video in every single video to come and make it better and better every single video that I make. So hopefully you subscribe right down there, because every video that comes out, you are gonna be happy with. Bansheeboating, baby! Check out one of these other fantastic videos. You won't be disappointed.